Campaña!
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.
Okay guys, it's time for a nice relaxing shave, and it's a night shave, which I don't do nearly enough. So first off, I want to say that I'm loving the comments and interaction with you, the viewers, the friends and supporters of this channel. I appreciate you all. Keep coming back. Now lately I've been getting lots of comments and suggestions around the Gillette brand and cartridge razors in general. I've heard that many of you enjoy the fact that I review cartridge razors, and you know what? So do I. So tonight I'll be shaving with two interesting cartridge razors from Gillette. The recently released GilletteLabs with exfoliating bar and the sustainably friendly Planet Kind 5-blade razors. Now I know you came here to see me shave, so without further ado, let's get cracking. As always, I like to make sure I have a nice clean face before I shave. So tonight I'll be using Gillette's Planet Kind face wash, which is really good. Aside from the recycled plastic container that's kind to the earth, the cucumber and vitamin E formula is mild enough for everyday use and free of parabens and sulfates, so it's kind to your face as well. Next up, Planet Kind's Protective Shave Cream is one of my favorites. Again, cucumber and vitamin E make for a nice, refreshing scent that blooms as you work it, and it lathers up nice and easy. It's good for newbies like me. I've really enjoyed working on my lather skills. Tonight I'm using my new Live Bean ceramic shave bowl and my favorite natural cork handle shave brush from the fine folks at Pacific Shaving Company. As always, I'll leave links to the products featured in this video in the description box below, so you can pick them up. It really helps to support the channel. Okay, so I'm going to do multiple passes tonight. First pass with the grain, and then second pass across the grain, which is a bit overkill for a 5-blade cartridge razor, but you're here, so I'm going to give you your money's worth. Whisper strokes. You don't want to do too much, guys. Now this GilletteLabs exfoliating razor has a similar design to its higher-end brother, the heated razor. It shares the flex technology and the cartridge form factor, and it has a beautiful upscale design. The handle is made of brushed aluminum. There's also a limited edition black finish that's on my list to pick up soon. Now this razor provides a smooth, nick, tug, and irritation-free shave with the promise of a deep exfoliating clean for your mug. Is it a gimmick? Well, since shaving is the ultimate skin exfoliant, I mean, essentially you're just scraping off dead skin along with the hair you shave, I'd have to say yes, but it's a really good razor for sure, gimmick or not.
losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
Now for my third and final pass, I'll be using the Planet Kind Fusion 5 rebranded razor. I believe that the handle is made of 75% or more recycled plastic that can be recycled again when you're ready to switch to the next new gimmicky product from Gillette. Like all Gillette razors, the Planet Kind is kind to your skin and provides a smooth shave suitable for this against grain final pass.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
Next, a splash of cold water to close the pores, and on to another one of my all-time favorite products, Harry's Post-Shave Mist with botanical extracts. It sprays a light layer of floral delight on your mug and dries almost instantly. It's just a great way to end a shave. And that's it. As always, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. Keep sending those comments along. And if you're new to the channel and enjoy what you've seen, please consider subscribing. It really, really helps. Okay, see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now roll the music.